Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Decentraland price prediction and Decentraland news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Decentraland in 2022. Decentraland, Mana, defines itself as a virtual reality platform based on the Ethereum blockchain that allows users to create, serve and monetize content and applications. In this virtual reality, users buy land that they can later navigate, build on, and monetize. Decentraland was launched following a $24 million initial coin offering, ICO, that took place in 2017. Virtual World launched its closed beta in 2019 and opened to the public in February 2020. Since then, users have created a wide range of experiences on their land sites, including interactive games, extensive 3D scenes, and many other interactive experiences. Decentraland was created by Ariel Milik and Esteban Ordano, who have retired from their core roles on the project, but are still working with Decentraland as advisors. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Decentraland. Altcoins identifying whether a 30% relief rally is more than a pipe dream for Mana. Decentraland's price has shown considerable resilience relative to other altcoins. Another impressive development from Mana is that it has managed to stay afloat, despite the Russia-induced flash crash across financial markets. Furthermore, Mana's price seems to be picturing the formation of a bottom reversal pattern, one that forecasts gains for the metaverse token. Mana stands its ground. Mana's price witnessed an exponential run-up in late October after the announcement from Meta, formerly Facebook. This upswing propelled it by 693% to set a swing high of $5.91 on 24 November. Since this point, Mana has retraced multiple times, producing lower highs and equal lows. As a result, Decentraland has bounced off its crucial support level at $2.20 thrice, forming a triple bottom setup. This technical formation is a bottom reversal pattern that forecasts a trend reversal, stipulating gains for the metaverse token. Investors can expect Mana to rally by 28% before encountering a resistance barrier at $2.83. While there is a good chance the alt can set a local top here, a pile-up of bid orders could send Mana exploding to $3.5, constituting a 58% ascent. There is a good chance market makers might sweep the $3.5 barrier to collect buy stop liquidity resting above it. What do the metrics tell us? Supporting this claim from a technical perspective is the recent downtrend in the supply of Mana tokens on exchanges. This number has reduced from 809.05 million to 805.03 million tokens over the last 3 days. In total, 4 million Mana tokens have left centralized entities over the last 3 days, suggesting that its investors are highly bullish on the performance of the token. Adding credence to the bullish thesis is the 30-day market value to realize value, MVRV, model. It was ticking around minus 9.38% at press time. This negative value suggests that the risk of a sell-off is relatively low. This indicator is used to approximate the average profit and loss of investors who purchased Mana over the last month. If these holders are in profit, there is a chance of a potential sell-off, but if the holders are underwater, the likelihood of these buyers selling their holdings at a loss is low. In light of the aforementioned value, there is a good chance long-term holders are accumulating Mana at its current price levels. Hence, market participants can expect to see a bullish turnaround for the metaverse token in the near future. While things look bullish for Mana, investors need to be cautious as the crypto markets have become more volatile than usual. Tension level, before facing selling pressure. For long-time horizon investors, the area between the 61.8% retracement and the 78.6% retracement level is generally an area where investors like to dollar-cost average, DCA, into their buys. The market structure for Mana has been bearish. The bulls tried to flip the bias in their favor earlier in February, but failed. Therefore, two scenarios are of interest to long-term buyers. Either they can wait for the price to dip into the aforementioned pocket to DCA into spot buys, or they can wait for a flip in market structure to ride to momentum upward. This would require Mana to flip $3.5 to support. On the RSI, the 40 and 60 levels demarcate areas below and above them respectively, where the momentum can be thought to have strengthened in that direction. At the time of writing, the RSI was at 45.23, which was almost neutral. Also notable was its inability to stay above the 60 mark for a significant amount of time since December. The awesome oscillator sank back beneath the zero line, which reflected the bearish momentum since the rejection at $3.29. The price was also trading beneath the 21 SMA and 55 SMA, orange and green respectively. The OBV has been forming higher lows in the past couple of months, which suggested that long-term buyers were indeed present in the background of the daily volatility. Decentraland price today. Mana price hints a 23% growth potential above $2.8 mark. On February 16, Decentraland, Mana price failed its second attempt to breach the high swing resistance of $3.42. The following reversal slumped the coin by 29.5%, dropping to the $2.45 support. Moreover, the technical chart displayed a double top pattern and a breached breakout from the 28 cents neckline. How much will Decentraland cost in 2025, or how much will Decentraland cost in 10 years? Guessing price fluctuations and predicting future prices is a hell of a task. Decentraland Price Prediction 2022. It appears that by 2022, Decentraland, Mana, prices will hit a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2022, we can expect the average rate to be $3.70. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Decentraland's maximum price could be up to $4.21 in 2022. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. Decentraland Course Forecast 2023. Mana has great potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Decentraland, the price could rise much higher. By 2023, it may reach a maximum value of $6.18. Mana is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2023 could end with an average price of $5.37, a minimum price of $5.19, and a maximum price of $6.18. Decentraland Course Prediction 2024. In 2024, with wider adoption and partnerships between other important blockchain networks, Decentraland price will skyrocket. The maximum trading price could reach $9.01 in 2024. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $8.04 with a maximum price of $9.01 for 2024. Price Mana Forecast 2025. For a long-term forecast of the Decentraland price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There's a possibility that the average price of Mana will rise to around $11.46 by 2025 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2025, the year could end with a maximum price of $13.49 with a minimum price. Level $11.13. Mana Rate Prediction 2026. Mana will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Decentraland rate will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2026, the Decentraland rate will be almost $16.85. The maximum bet we can get is $20.02. Decentraland average price prediction for the end of 2026 could be around $17.30. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. Mana Price Prediction 2027. A flawless approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this prediction platform, Decentraland will remain at its current level for a very long time. By 2027, Mana is expected to peak at $29.37. The minimum bid could rise to $24.21.